Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into the future of sustainable luxury travel with one of the most exciting innovations from China's leading EV giant, the BYD Motorhome 2026. This isn't just another recreational vehicle. It's a statement of how electric mobility and modern living can come together in perfect harmony. Get ready to explore a motorhome that blends cutting-edge technology, refined comfort, and eco-friendly engineering, designed to redefine the way we experience travel on the open road. When you first lay eyes on the BYD Motorhome 2026, its futuristic presence immediately grabs your attention. Built on a reinforced electric chassis, the vehicle boasts a sleek, aerodynamic profile that balances size with efficiency. The front fascia takes inspiration from BYD's latest electric SUVs, with a wide grille-like panel that isn't functional for air intake but serves as a striking design element, accentuated by full-width LED lighting. The sculpted body lines flow smoothly along the sides, minimizing drag while maintaining a powerful, confident look. The exterior comes in premium finishes, from pearl white to deep graphite, and even a custom two-tone option that highlights its modern character. Large panoramic windows run along both sides, allowing natural light to flood the interior while giving passengers sweeping views of the world outside. The rear features vertical LED tail lamps that stretch from top to bottom, paired with subtle chrome accents for a premium finish, and with hidden, retractable side stairs and multiple entry points, the motorhome is both practical and stylish. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, sits BYD's advanced Blade Battery system, offering a range of up to 700 kilometers on a full charge. Fast charging capability means you can recover 300 kilometers of range in just about 30 minutes. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system delivers impressive power for a vehicle of this size, making highway cruising smooth and confident while still being capable of handling rugged terrains and mountain roads. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice how BYD has maximized every inch of the cabin. The living lounge welcomes you with modern, minimalist furniture wrapped in eco-friendly leather and sustainable wood trims. A pair of rotating captain's chairs in the front can swivel to face the lounge, transforming the driving cabin into part of the living space when parked. A plush L-shaped sofa extends along the wall, paired with a foldable dining table that doubles as a work desk for digital nomads. Above the lounge, a panoramic smart sunroof adjusts transparency with a single touch, letting you choose between open views of the sky or cozy shade for movie nights. Ambient lighting runs across the ceiling and under furniture, customizable in multiple colors to set the perfect mood. The dashboard of the BYD Motorhome 2026 is a showcase of futuristic technology. A massive 18-inch curved OLED display serves as both instrument cluster and infotainment center. Navigation, vehicle controls, entertainment, and even smart home integration are all centralized here. Voice assistant support allows you to manage everything hands-free, from adjusting the climate control to checking battery levels. Augmented reality projection on the windshield enhances driving by displaying route guidance, speed, and traffic updates right in your line of sight. Moving further inside, the kitchen area is compact but highly functional. IT features an induction cooktop, a built-in microwave oven, a smart refrigerator, and cleverly designed storage compartments. Everything is optimized to save space while ensuring travelers can prepare meals just like at home. BYD's energy management system ensures that cooking and appliance usage won't drain the main battery excessively, thanks to an auxiliary battery pack dedicated to onboard living functions. The bedroom is another highlight. A queen-sized bed sits at the rear, framed by large side windows that give the impression of waking up in the middle of nature. Soft touch materials, memory foam mattresses, and integrated reading lamps make it a comfortable retreat after a long day of travel. Above the bed, additional cabinets provide ample storage without crowding the room. Even the bathroom is surprisingly spacious for a motorhome. IT includes a full standing shower with water recycling technology, a smart toilet with bidet functions, and a sleek vanity mirror with LED lighting. The entire space is designed with high-quality waterproof materials that maintain durability while looking refined on the safety front. BYD has gone all out. The motorhome comes equipped with multiple airbags, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, blind spot detection, and automatic emergency braking. Additionally, BYD's D-Pilot AI system provides semi-autonomous driving features, reducing fatigue on long journeys. Sustainability is at the core of this motorhome. Roof-mounted solar panels continuously top up the battery, supporting both the vehicle's main drive system and the living. Amenities. Combined with regenerative braking, this ensures maximum efficiency during long road trips. Practicality hasn't been overlooked either. The BYD Motorhome 2026 includes generous storage compartments under the floor and at the rear, making it ideal for carrying outdoor gear, bikes, or camping essentials. A retractable awning extends from the side, providing shade and outdoor living space for picnics or barbecues. What truly sets this motorhome apart is its seamless integration of smart connectivity. You can control lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even appliances through BYD's smartphone app. Remote monitoring also allows you to check charge levels, lock or unlock doors, and precondition the cabin before you step inside. In essence, the BYD Motorhome 2026 is more than just an RV. It's a mobile smart home, an electric powerhouse, and a luxury lounge on wheels, all rolled into one. IT represents a new chapter in sustainable adventure, proving that you can travel the world in comfort while leaving a smaller footprint on the planet. Whether you're a family planning unforgettable road trips, a couple chasing sunsets across coastlines, or a digital nomad seeking a moving office with endless views, the BYD Motorhome 2026 is designed to make every journey extraordinary.